These are the frames, Daisy Chain, and we're going to show you how to replace the lenses. So first thing you're going to do, make sure your frames are upside down. That way to prevent losing any screws. And you're going to take a Phillips head screwdriver and you're going to loosen the screw that is located on the frontal part of the frame, very close to the temple part. It's right there. So you're going to take your screwdriver and then you're going to twist to the left so you can unscrew it. Now, once you unscrew it, the lens should just pop out. Now, to reinstall the lens, you're going to line up the edges of it with all of the grooves in the frame. The top part of the frame would be the most ideal place to start, so that way it would stabilize it and you could just line up the rest to go along. Once the lens is all lined up with the grooves of the frame, you're going to hold it steady with your hand and take the screwdriver and screw it back by twisting to the right. And just make sure that it's secure. And that should be it.